A picture used to be worth 1,000 words, but today it's worth 1,000 clicks. Fun photos, memes, and viral videos, they've made the internet a pretty fun place to hang out. But should that fun come at a price? All kinds of professional content creators say it should, at least when it comes to their work. You see, these days it's pretty easy to steal a photo and post it online. You may have done it thinking, what's the big deal? It's just fun. Well, the big deal is the content creator doesn't have a way to get paid for their work.
Yep. Yeah, I've had not a ton of images, but quite a few images stolen. Yeah. It was just them advertising, being like, oh, this, happy family stayed here type deal. And I didn't even come across it. My maid of honor was searching images with her face and happened to come across that image and was like, hey, did you know this picture is out there? So then I did a reverse image search and I'm like, oh, okay. I'm like, you're very well traveled.
That's Corey Balazowicz, and she runs the site Photo Stealers. It started on social media and now has a standalone website where photo thieves get called out. The hope is that putting public peer pressure will right the wrong, or at least get the original content creator a licensing fee.
It affects the industry because then people that are victims tell their friends and tell their family, and then they don't want to invest in photographers, and it goes from there.
Outside of an online shaming, historically, the only legal option for a photographer was federal copyright court. It's an expensive and lengthy process.
You can send a DMCA takedown, but if they're self-hosted, sometimes it's tough, or they'll just take it down, but they've been using it for 5 years and there's nothing you can do about it.
For small business pro photographers, it's an endless cycle. Send a letter, ask for a fee, get ignored. But that might soon change. One of the rather strange things that came out of the latest coronavirus stimulus bill was the Copyright Alternative in Small Claims Enforcement Act, or CASE Act. It's basically a small claims court within the US Copyright Office, where content owners can seek under $30,000 for damages. Cases would go before a 5-person panel, 3 members of the US Copyright Office, and 2 attorneys with expert knowledge in copyright law. If the content was registered for copyright, the maximum damages would be $15,000 per work or $30,000 per claim. If not registered, maximum damages would be half that amount.
For our members who are visual journalists, we're not talking about really big amounts, which is the problem here. Most copyright attorneys want a $10,000 retainer. If you're only seeking, let's say $750 or $1,000 for a license fee, it makes no sense that even if you win, you lose.
Mickey Osterreicher, a lawyer with the National Press Photographers Association, has been talking to folks in DC about getting this small claims option together since 2006. One caveat to this whole thing: any party, the content creator or the party accused of infringement, can opt out of the new court. If that happens, the only remaining avenue for a claim is the traditional federal court method.
What we're really hoping for is that people who generally ignore letters, cease and desist orders, things like that from photographers, and it's all kinds of creators, but we'll stick with photographers here, who just basically either hang up the phone or like, yeah, sue me or whatever, that will finally pay some attention when they receive a notice and then enter into, so how much do you really want for this?
So you may be thinking, okay, this makes sense if you're a pro photographer or a journalist. But what about my blog or that meme I created for Reddit? What if I shared a protected image on social media? Could I end up in this new court?
People on the internet creating memes are safe. It's not the kind of use that normally, historically, motivates lawyers to go after people for copyright infringement.
Kia Cameron represents the legal rights of viral internet properties like Success Kid and Grumpy Cat, and for this story, gave us permission to use these images. The thing is, if the average internet user worries they'll get sued for sharing a meme or image, it's going to be much harder for content creators to see their work go viral, and that could wipe out one of the most popular parts of the internet.
Grumpy Cat is one of the most pirated, bootlegged properties you'll ever see. And what we do is we go after not private users, not Joe computer user or any Reddit user. We love those things. Those are actually the reasons why this property became famous. But we do go after corporations and people who should otherwise be paying for these properties in order to advertise their own wares.
He says some may take advantage of this new system, but also says this small claims outlet increases the opportunity a creator gets paid for their work. It remains to be seen how well this new system will work. Will they find a balance between compensating creators for their work while still letting people have some fun on social media? Basically, will the net effect of all this be Success Kid or Grumpy Cat?